Hi guys. So today I have a ay tengo un gallo. I have new and exciting news because this is my first YouTube campaign ever, and no, I don't get paid for doing this video like other big YouTubers, but I do get a small commission if y'all purchase these products using my link. A very a very small percentage, so I just wanted to get that out of the way because people are curious, and I like to be honest up front and say it how it is. So yeah. um but if y'all want to support me in another way, not necessarily purchasing something, then it's fine by me. Any support matters and counts, so you don't have to buy something or feel pressure, all that. Just by watching this video is enough for me, liking it and all that. So anyways, yes, these products were sent to me for free. I was gifted these. They reached out to me by email. They're like around April 6th. They're like, do you want to do this YouTube campaign, blah 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 blah. Not YouTube I forgot how they worded, but something like that. And I obviously accepted because this brand, it's a beauty brand, it's a makeup brand. I've seen other girls on my Instagram that I follow work with them. They share Instagram posts about the products and using them, and that's why I accepted it, because it's a brand I've been seeing for the past few weeks, and they look nice. I don't know, I just wanted to try new brands, so obviously I accepted. So yeah, that's why. And I received it yesterday, the 13th, so it was pretty fast. Like other collaborations or from brands that I've worked with, they take a while, like weeks or months. This one was pretty fast, like a week or so, I don't know. So yeah, in case y'all are interested and wanna sorry, work with them, then yeah, go ahead and email them maybe. And like always, I'll put everything in the description bar. So if y'all have any questions and y'all want to join, maybe I can ask them for y'all. I don't know. I would love to help y'all if y'all are interested in trying these products for free as well. So yeah. So I'm just gonna unbox it now. You're probably like, shut up. Just show us. Okay. Oh wow. Their packaging. Necesito agua. I didn't drink anything. Oh, cool. Look. It looks like a magazine cover. This brand looks fancy. It's not like the typical drugstore brand or color brands that I normally go for. This is more like a mature brand. I feel like more neutral colors, more laid back, chill. Ooh, it's like corduroy suede. It's a new. What? I feel like I don't deserve this. This is way too fancy. This looks like you see, like for older ladies, like middle-aged women, like very elegant taste. Not my taste. Like it looks really nice. I like it, but it's not what I go for. I go for like candy palettes, like this. Like I'm still in the kid phase when it comes to makeup, I guess. So wow, it's pretty cool. It feels really soft, and like it costs a lot. It feels like they don't play with their packaging. Like even the box inside, it feels nice, like in the color. It's very wow. Like me, they decided to pick me out of everyone. Like, have y'all seen my content? It's not like this at all. It's strange, but I don't know. I guess because there's some brands that have reached out to me because I comment on other people's posts, and they have like 10-20K followers, and they have a lot of makeup collaborations, and that's how they find me, and that's how they reach out to me. So I might say no. The other one was nails, but I don't really use nails, so I said no. When it comes to makeup, I say yes most of the time, and skincare. But There's other, like, I don't know if it was like a massage thing, something that is not beauty related, so I say no. If not, I would have like a bunch of other free opportunities, you know. I'm just gonna show the first product. Is this one. I love the color. This is a new blue for me. It's like a gray-ish blue. This is gosh, I didn't have storage, so it stopped recording like always. I did delete some stuff, so I hope this works. I'm gonna do it fast now. So oh yeah, like I mentioned, I got to choose which products to get sent for free. So the first one is this blush that I've seen in videos, and it's pretty cool because the packaging is not the usual packaging. I think it's like a, wait a minute, it's like let me swatch it. No, never mind. I need to take pictures first. Like a cream, kind of, but not really. I don't know. I chose this color. I didn't know which colors to choose. I just guessed. So this one's a shade slick. I don't know. I think it was like a liquid lipstick or a lip gloss. Okay. Oh, I think like a lip gloss. I chose this reddish orange one. It's doesn't really have a strong scent, but it's a really nice shade. I wanted like an everyday shade, but with a lot of color still. That kind of matches with me. I don't know what colors matches with me, but I guess this one's a lip signature lip lightweight lipstick, sorry. So well, they even feel like sturdy, like very nice quality. So this packaging is really cool. It looks more like a perfume, like from the old times. This is oh wow, this is new for me, the packaging. So then you open it, it's like a traditional lipstick tube. I chose like this brownish warmish tone. So they have other shades. I try to stick with more neutral warm tones instead of pinkish or whatever. So this is a Day Glow highlighting balm, and this is the last product. They just made me choose 4. They had other type of products, by the way, like mascara, and I can't remember. Open it. Oops. Wow. So yeah, this is a cool highlighter. Like you go like that instead of a powder. So yeah, that's basically it. So yeah, that's it. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'm gonna go bye.